Hello, my name is Abdulaziz. In this channel, I'm going to do my best to teach you programming in an easy way. So I will start with some simple examples, then later we can do some projects and experiments. So in every video, I will explain one example and I will do my best to keep those videos short and informative. So let's get started. In programming, we have something called a package. So what is a package? Just to make it easier to be understood, a package is a folder that has one or more than one file, and those files are called classes. I will explain that later. And we can say that a package is pretty much like a family. And as we all know that every family has family members, and the family members have names and some characteristics, and we can just say that those family members are just like classes in programming. So what is the classes? As we mentioned earlier, that a class is pretty much like a family member. It has its unique name and have some characteristics. And in programming, we have methods, and those methods responsible for doing some actions. You can think of a class just like yourself or any one of your family member. Every one of your family member has his or her unique name and some characteristics that you might not have. In programming, every class has one or more than one method. So here we have another question. What is a method? As I mentioned earlier, every class has one or more than one method, and every method is responsible for doing a specific action. For example, when you want to get a new email, you first need to create an account. Then you can log into your email account, and in case you forgot your password, you still can reset your password. So as I mentioned in this example, a method is responsible for doing specific action. So let's say that we have a class. We named it create account. It has three different methods. The first one is responsible for registering users, and the second one allows user to log in to his or her email account, and the third method is for resetting the password in case the user forgot the password. Now we will talk about something a little bit different than packages, classes, and methods. It's called modifiers. And there are three different types: public, private, and protected. So, what does public mean? It means any class, either from the same package or from a different package, can use the public methods in any class. So what about the protected? Protected means the method can be used only within the package. That means any class inside the same package can use it. And private means no one, either from the package or from a different package, can use this method. It only can be used inside the class. Otherwise, it's impossible. So let's recap. A package has classes, and classes have methods. And some of the methods could be public for all packages in the project, or it could be protected. That means only that classes in the same package can use those protected methods. And finally, we have private methods, which can be used in the same class. Within the class, and it is impossible to be used outside of the class. So at the end, please don't forget to subscribe, give like, and share the video. Thank you, and see you in the next video.